Hey, Jim Murphy here, your Fix-It expert. This time on You Break It, You Fix It, I show you how to fix a flickering or a dome light that stays on in a modern GM truck. Let's get to it. This is my 2008 Chevy Silverado, and it's the family grocery getter, road tripper, daily driver, it's everything. So I try to keep it in good shape. But, you know, sometimes things fail and you don't have time to fix them. I've driven around for probably a month with a dome light that stays on constantly, and now that it's getting colder out and darker out, I decided to fix it. So, I've had issues where the window stays down and won't go back up. Tested the switch is fine, and it turned out it was a broken wire in the door wiring harness where it goes into the truck, right here in this little accordion looking thing. So what I ended up doing was just opening that up and repairing the wires, and the window worked. So when my dome light stayed on, I kind of had a good idea where that problem came from. So I ended up doing the same thing, opening that up, found a bunch of broken wires. I have no idea what they go to, but you know, everything worked but the dome light, surprisingly. And when that was going out, the dome light would flicker and the door locks would flicker or go up and down, which is really annoying. And it mainly annoyed my wife. Again, this is just an overview. I removed this rubber booty thingy, this conduit piece, from both sides of the A-pillar and the door. And you can also take this cover off. And the door wiring harness plugs are back in there. This is just a rat's nest from me. And you can also take this kick panel off and you can fish the whole wiring harness out and get really good access. And just repair those wires and the dome light, window, whatever you have wrong should work. That ends this quick overview. Please like and subscribe and catch me next time on You Break It, You Fix It. Hey, Jim Murphy here. This time on You Break It, You Fix It.